Official opposing party of South Africa celebrated its anniversary yesterday. There's a good thing about MK of Jacob Zuma, which was a military wing for ANC during the apartheid, but it was disbanded after the apartheid era. Jacob Zuma formed this organization with the aim to revamp ANC under Ramaphosa. We have seen that ANC has went down under 50% of voters this year. So yesterday, MK was celebrating its first year anniversary, and I would say it was worth celebrating since they managed to get 14% in their first election, making them get 58 seats in the parliament. So MK is this party that is so huge that you could understand the impact that it has on South African politics. I'm talking about when they were talking to other leaders of the MK. That's why I understood that it's much more than the tribal thing that people are trying to push, and the media is trying to push that Zuma's organization is for Zulu nations. But I believe that it's not for Zulu nations per se, but not entirely. Remember that the support base of every person is at his home ground. We call it home ground advantage. If you get beaten at your home, then it's a problem. So Jacob Zuma, what they said in the organization is that they want to build a strong structure that the organization live beyond Jacob Zuma. As we know that Jacob Zuma is an old person who can retire at any time, or the unfortunate does happen. But if the unfortunate does happen, the MK needs to live beyond the name of Jacob Zuma. They don't want Zuma as a popular figure than the MK. The MK need to be stronger than Zuma. So I believe that most parties can learn from that each and every organization should not be depending on one individual for its growth. Who's gonna lead? Because people, they tend to be like, if our leader goes away, then who's gonna lead? I don't want to be led by this. I don't want to be led by this. But then, if the organization wants you to be led by this, why are you gonna refuse? We have seen this happen with the likes of Avukopu, UDM, other parties would be LF. Like, it's not a political organization. It's just like an NGO run by someone who's passionate about some idea, and then they try to push it. And then after, if that someone, people are tired of him, and then they cannot push him out, everyone wants to lead, but they don't want to be led. So I think it's a good thing that MK, they are pushing to strive towards an idea that everyone should be able to be led, and everyone should be able to lead, and the organization does not get affected by the internal politics. Trust me, every party has internal politics, and people scrutinizing the fact that MK has been expelling and expanding people from parliament. It has been done many times before by ANC, by DA, by the EFF at West. So this is nothing, and I believe that MK will live beyond Jacob Zuma. And if you believe so, please do comment in the comment section. Tell me, do you think that MK will live beyond Zuma?